welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing to you this very glowy, very summer inspired makeup. As you can tell, we have a nice bronzed eye as well as very glowy, hydrated and vibrant skin. I feel like this look just enhances everyone's natural features. I think it's a very universal tutorial. It's quick, it's easy, and it's perfect for summer. And there is a giveaway involved. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video to see how you can win a $50 gift card to use at the Sephora inside JCPenney. I did pick up a few new products from there that I want to feature in this tutorial. So if you're curious on how to achieve this radiant look, then just keep on watching. Before you begin applying your makeup, you want to make sure your skin is moisturized. So I've already applied my facial moisturizer as well as my eye cream. My next crucial step is going to be putting my hair back because I like having a blank canvas to work on, and having hair in the way does not make it easy to, beautify this face. So I'm very excited to show you these new products from Sephora. Now they're Sephora exclusives, and I did shop at the Sephora inside JCPenney, and my shopping experience was so easy. The employees at Sephora inside JCPenney were very helpful in helping me pick out what products best suited my skin tone, as well as what products would best be purposeful for this video. So I am so excited to introduce these products to you. And the first one is actually going to be a primer, which is definitely my first step in getting ready for makeup. Now this is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And this is a new product to the Milk makeup line. I'm so excited because the main purpose of this product is to plump the skin. Now, if you guys have been watching me, you know skin has been a little something that I've been kind of battling with lately. And so a plumping primer is something I'm all about because it's just gonna add that youthfulness to your skin. It's going to make you look vibrant and dewy, and it's also going to just allow your makeup to sit on the surface much better, so it's not gonna sink into all your fine lines and wrinkles. As you can see, it's a nice jelly kind of consistency. So I'm just gonna rub this in my hands, and oh my gosh, this feels like a dream applying this. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face as I would a moisturizer. Take it down to your neck and really just allow that to sit in the skin. I'm gonna give it a few seconds to dry, and then we're gonna continue on. Now, I really wanted this makeup look to be quick, easy, and kind of effortless because that's how I feel like summer makeup should be. You're in a rush, you don't always wanna take this time to apply this heavy face, but yet you still wanna look glowy and vibrant. So I'm going to apply a eye primer. This just allows your eyeshadow to kind of be a little bit more vibrant. It gives it a surface to stick on. So most eye primers are a little bit tacky because it allows that shadow to have a grip. So I just apply that all over my eyes, and I'm very excited to introduce this Natasha Denona. This is the Mini Nude Palette. I applied this last night. As you can see, I took a little bit more out of the product than I needed to, but these colors are just stunning. If you can just see that. And I just want to show you, well, you'll see because I do apply this with my fingers, how pigmented they are. So I'm going to take this nice nude kind of caramel brown as well as this deep brown, and I'm going to take a crease brush and I'm going to mix the two. Make sure you dab off the excess, and I'm going to start doing windshield wipers in my crease. Now, I'm actually curious though, do you guys apply your eye look first, or do you do your face look first? Because I'm 100% eyeshadow before face makeup. That's just how I've always been. That seems to be the technique that works for me. So that's kind of what I work with, and especially if your eyeshadow is very pigmented, which this palette is, I like applying the eyeshadow first because then you could clean it up with your face makeup when you do your concealer and whatnot. So as you can tell, I'm just doing nice windshield wiper motions and just kind of going from the outside of the crease. That's where I start, and then I do bring it down to the tear duct. Now this is another product that is exclusive to Sephora. This is the Cheek Leaders Mini Bronze Squad by Benefit, and when I tell you, this is one of the most beautiful palettes I've ever seen. I'm not joking, but we're gonna get to that in a moment, but I do just wanna take Hoola, which is Benefit's bronzer, and I am going to apply that with my eyeshadow brush, and again, just go over with windshield motions. I just think that it helps warm up the look a little bit, adds a little bit more definition, and just kind of helps blend out any harsh lines that you may have. Eyeshadow before face makeup does make you look a little bit crazy, but I promise we pulled the look together towards the end. Next, I'm going to take these two middle shades here. And actually, I can tell you the colors on this. So I'm going to take Lumino, and I'm also going to take Sienna, and I'm going to take my finger. So as you can see, I just dipped that in there. Look at that pigmentation. And I'll do it for the next one. I'm going to apply Lumino first, and then I'm going to take Sienna and just kind of pat on top. I find too that just using your fingers for the eyeshadow just gives such an even look, and it also allows the pigment to just kind of grip on a little bit better. When it comes to shimmery shades, sometimes the shimmer can go above the crease, and what I do for that is I'm just gonna take Hoola again, and sometimes throughout my makeup, I'll just have to go over the crease so that the glitter doesn't transfer. And it just obviously helps deepen it up too. And then I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes. I'm also going to apply it on any weird pigmentations that I just kind of want to even out. So any blemishes I may have, we're just going to spot treat those. My forehead's actually pretty clear for once, so that's great. It knew I had a tutorial to film. And we are going to also take the Beauty Blender mini sponge. This thing is so helpful. And yes, it's clean. It just sometimes, it still looks like this, but it's clean. And make sure you wet this before you use it. A lot of people have troubles with the sponges, but they need to be applied wet. So you're going to wet it, you're going to rinse it out, and then you're going to use it to buff out your concealer. This just really helps blend it out seamlessly. Now the same goes for your Beauty Blender. Make sure that is nice and moist. And I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way. I have the shade Warm Nude. I like to apply this just to the outside of my palm. I find that this is the easiest way for me to apply, and I'll just take my Beauty Blender, and that's actually what I use to distribute the product all around. I'll kind of just like lightly place it in areas that I think I need to apply it. And then of course, if I need more, I'll add more. But for the most part, this is a pretty medium to full coverage foundation like it claims. And so a little does go a long way. And then you can apply whatever your favorite setting powder is. And I like to just lightly dust this. I've noticed that this is what works best for my skin, is to just kind of give it an all over finished look. But at the same time, I still want my skin to breathe. I still want it to look like skin. I don't want it to be looking like I'm wearing a mask, which granted, right now I'm lighter than my body. I did self-tan, but we're gonna fix that with bronzer. Now for bronzer and highlight, we're going to be taking the Cheek Leader Mini Bronze Squad. Hoola is a cult favorite. Now, they actually have a Hoola Deep now, so if you are a little bit deeper and don't think this would be a nice bronze color for you, they have something that's darker. And then these two shades are beautiful. So I'm gonna use this as my blush, and I'm going to use the Cookie as my highlight. So I'm just taking a contoured brush, dipping it in my Hoola, tapping off the excess, and we are just going to follow your natural cheekbone. I'll kind of start with the edge brush and kind of create that line, and then I'll take it flat ways and kind of blend it out so it looks very even. We also apply it underneath our neck because we are not wearing a mask. And I do want to take it up to my forehead as well. So like I mentioned, we're gonna take Gold Rush on my cheeks. I do tap off the excess and kind of blend outwards, so it kind of gives you that natural highlight. As you can see, blush is a crucial step to giving your skin that vivaciousness it may need. I find that if I don't wear blush, I look very dull, and I think with the highlight, with the contour, the blush just makes you look fresh and alive. So ladies, don't skip blush. It's crucial. This Cookie highlight, you're about to see it in action. So again, your highlight's gonna be above the contour line. Okay. That is alive and real. That is just stunning. I love the color of it. Almost has a nice little pink sheen. I put it above my nose and also above my Cupid's bow. I think that it just looks so healthy, and it also just makes you look alive and fresh. So my final step with the face is going to be setting spray. I'm using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. This is the replenishing primer and setting spray, and it has coconut water in it. So If you guys have been watching my vlogs, you know that I have my eyebrows microbladed, so honestly, when I tell you I don't really do them anymore, I don't really do them anymore. So that's what they look like without any product on them. Sometimes I will apply a brow gel, but right now I'm just gonna keep it as is. Just brush those babies up so they look nice and full. This is the Cake Pencil Eyeliner by Kat Von D, and I have it in the color Trooper Black. A tip I've been doing is, as I drop it, is to tight line. So that brings me to my next step, which is curling my lashes. The next product that I picked up from Sephora is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And this is something I've never tried before. So I was really excited to give this a try. I've tried dupes before, but I've never tried the real thing. So it says to apply 3 coats. This formula is really pigmented. So I like how black it makes my lashes look. And again, with the tight line, it's just very dramatic. I'm also going to do my waterline. This is again the Cake Pencil by Kat Von D, and this is in the color Whiteout. So we're just gonna apply that to the lower lash line. It just makes your eyeballs pop a little bit more, which who doesn't wanna look more awake when you live a busy lifestyle? Caffeine just doesn't do it. So this just adds a little bit of brightness to your eye as well. And that's pretty much it for the eyes, although I am going to take a little thin brush and I'm going to take those 2 colors we used earlier by Natasha, these 2 light colors. Again, I'm gonna mix them. And I'm just going to apply that underneath the lash line to just kind of complete the look. I'm also gonna take this shimmery shade and I'm going to apply that in my tear duct. We're all about the brightness around here. All right, last but not least around here, we have lips. Now I love this color. This is the Peach Puff Diffused Matte Lip Color, and I have the shade You Wish. Well, I don't wish anymore because now I have this color and I'm pretty satisfied in my life. But as you can see, it comes with a nice puff applicator. I don't even need lip liner with this. It's just so easy to apply. And of course, you have to top it with the gloss. This is Fenty Beauty in Fussy. I find that her lip shades are so universally flattering. So this is just gonna be a nice topper to that nude. So I don't know about you, but I feel like this makeup is like the definition of my ideal summer makeup tutorial. I love how fresh, I love how quick it was, and I like how I think it's going to be a very universally flattering tutorial. I think that this works for every skin tone. I think it works for every eye shape. I think, again, it's just gonna make you feel your most glowy, radiant self. And I love all of the products that I just featured. I think that they helped me achieve this look, and I don't think I'd be looking the way I did if I didn't have the new products from Sephora. So now I know this is the part of the video that you guys have all been waiting for, and it is the giveaway. I'm going to get a $50 Sephora gift card. Now this can be used at Sephora inside JCPenney, so thank you for hosting this giveaway with me. All you have to do is go to my newest Instagram. I will have it right here for you. And I want you to let me know which of the products that I just featured are you most excited to try. Because that $50 gift card is going to get you a few of these amazing products, which I know you're going to enjoy. Unfortunately, this giveaway is only for the US, but hopefully one day I will get my international people. But for right now, this is US based, and I'm going to contact you directly. So I'm gonna let this giveaway run for 2 weeks. So 2 weeks from today, you guys see the date, 2 weeks from now, I will be contacting you, but I will also be announcing my winners on social media. So make sure you're following me on Instagram, and I will have my handle right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.